Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to make a fish like this. It's a good sew-on for blankets and such. Here we go. So you're going to start out as you normally would, making a slip knot. I'm not a very good teacher at that, but if you already know how to make a slip knot, great. Alright. So we're going to do 10 regular chains and go from there. Alright, now that we got that, we're gonna go to that one, just a half stitch. And the one after that, we're gonna do a regular stitch. Then we're gonna do a double stitch. And all the way down, we're gonna be doing that same double stitch till the last two. The point of that is we want to make it look like it's curved. Excuse my cat. Alright, down to the last two, you're just going to do a single stitch on this one. And then a half stitch at the very end. My cat is great at ruining all my videos. And now we're going to do 4 single chains. Then going to go back on that one and a double stitch. The next one is going to be a single stitch. Then a half stitch. So we're making the tail. So all the way around, we're going to be doing a half stitch until we get back to the tail. So here we're going to be doing the opposite way of how we did it the first time. We're going to be doing a half stitch, then a single stitch, then a double stitch at the tip of the tail for the first 3 stitches. For whatever reason, some of my fish end up a little bit different, but just count, it's the first 3 stitches. And then, not to get ahead of myself here, we're going to be doing half stitches to finish it up. Should be 3 most of the time, but sometimes I end up with 4. We're just gonna do an extra one at the end, cut it off, just pull it through as you would any other project. Here we have this fish. It should be great sew on for a blanket or whatnot.